To modify your email on Spotify, follow these steps. Begin by accessing your preferred web browser. Look up Spotify and proceed to log into your account through the browser interface. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with the familiar Spotify layout. Next, navigate to the top right corner where you'll find a settings gear icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select View Account, which will redirect you to your account details page. Now that you're on the account details page, locate the Edit Profile option. This is where you'll find various settings and details that aren't typically accessible within the Spotify app itself. Click on Edit Profile to proceed. Within the Edit Profile section, you'll find options to modify your username, email, and other profile information. Locate the email field and click on it to enable editing. Enter the new email address you wish to use and save the changes to your profile. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your email on Spotify. Feel free to let us know in the comments if this guide was helpful to you. Don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Turn on notifications to stay updated on all our latest uploads. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.